How to keep plot layout tag in one time for your plot OK in AutoCAD. You're going to save a lot of time. If you see here, this plot line we are getting, but OK we are not getting as expected. Like smooth curve as per plot, we will keep here. So for now, let this remove. Take this Lisp, drag and drop in AutoCAD. Come to here. Now the type PLT, okay. Take first reference point for your arc, second reference point and end point, okay. Input text, we will keep plot limit, right? This is our plot limit. Now you're getting arc and with curve text. Just wait for a while. You can increase, decrease spacing, text, scale. If you see here, by pressing MN, you can choose offset. Provide arrow. By clicking R, you can increase arrow size. Q, you can decrease arrow size. Plot limit text also. Just wait for a while. Different location, you will get different sizes, right? But for this one, we'll keep like this and we'll check other one with other feature, okay? For example, spacing plus M minus N. You can choose spacing also by pressing these keyword, okay? I want like this, let this as it is. Here you are getting different story. Click first point, midpoint, end point, okay? It will record your previous text, enter. Now you are getting like this. Now you see here you are getting space very smaller. So what you do, just stretch your spacing by N. You can reduce, by M you can increase, okay? Same here also, but different story. You are getting more corner. Let this first point, second point, end point, okay? Previous record plot limit. Now if you want to increase your arc line width, okay? Pressing W, you can increase your line width, okay? Arc line width. By pressing X, you can reduce, okay? Now you see here. So arrow size, arc size, text size, inside or outside you can customize. All in one frame, okay? If you see here. Now here we are getting straight to this first point and second point and end point and place here. Now you see here. So in one time you can place your plot limit tag. I will share this list in the comment section. In this description you can check out and must leave your feedback how you are getting in your plot reference. It is working or not for you, okay? So this way you can perfectly place your plot limit in just one time for your tag. If you see here,